Hello everyone. Welcome to a new xCloud tutorial where we will show you how to customize your white label reseller page in xCloud. Let's get started. xCloud offers a built-in reseller landing page that you can personalize as you want. From the overview section of the white label tab of xCloud, get a preview of the page. Now we will customize it. First, go to the white label tab in xCloud and then the settings option in the left side panel. Then, hit the landing page button. Next, toggle to enable the option to customize your landing page. Now, upload your logo. Add the hero sections heading, subheading, button text and button URL. Then, enter the CTA sections heading, subheading, button text and button URL. In the social media links section, provide your Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn and YouTube URLs. Click on the Save button once you are done. Let's have a preview of the customized landing page. Navigate to the Overview section under the White Label tab. Visit your landing page by clicking on the corresponding URL. As you can see, the landing page has been personalized according to our provided logo, content and URLs. This is how easily you can customize your white label reseller page in xCloud. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best to your hosting business.